Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Shopify flow where you can automatically tag a customer's first order. So tagging first order means it's a new customer, and if you need to give some gift for the customer, you'll be able to do it easily. Right, that's one of the use case you can have. You'll be having different use cases. So for this, you can use the Shopify Flow app. It's a free app and you can install it and you can explore the apps. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount in the Shopify App Store today. Today, what we are going to show you is like tag a customer's first orders. Once you install the app, you come to the Flow app, you open the Flow app, and you can see all the workflows which have, and you can create a new workflow. That's how you going to build it. So I created one of the workflow, and this is the workflow. So I'll explain what I created. So the trigger is when any order is created, right? So for example, any order is created, then what we going to do is then we'll check that particular customer number of orders. If it's equal to 1, you can see it's a new customer. Then we'll add an order tag for that particular order. Then you'll get, okay, this is the first order from a customer, from a new customer. Then your team can have a check on, okay, is this customer is a good customer, and you can send some, like if you're sending some stickers or anything, that will be that you can do it easily. So that's one of the use case. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. And also one more thing is like you can make this flow as soon as possible by browsing the templates given in Shopify Flow app. Just search for it and you are ready to go. You can install the flow and you'll be able to create in 1 or 2 minutes. So this is how you can make it happen easily. So if you're finding this video helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Happy selling.